Hello cake lovers, welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today's video is all about celebrating dads with 15 awesome and fun cake ideas for Father's Day. Let's make him simple with the sweetest surprise. The first one is shirt and tie cake. Classic design shaped like a shirt with bonded tie and buttons. Simple and classy, just like dad's style. The next is Super Dad Hero Cake. Superman themed or custom superhero cake with a big edible umbrella that say Super Dad. The next is toolbox cake. A 3D shaped cake like a toolbox with edible fondant tools, perfect for dads who love fixing things. The next is mustache cake. Fun and trendy cake decorated with mustache is bow ties and that you are the best toppers. The next is coffee and donut cake. A cake inspired by dad's favorite morning combo, donut decorations, and mocha flavors. The next is sports cake, whether it's cricket, football, or golf. Make a cake inspired by dad's favorite game of team. The next is barbecue grill cake, shaped like a mini barbecue with fondant sausages, burgers, and even flames for the grill master dad. The next is chocolate overloaded cake. Rich chocolate sponge gun strip and loaded with chocolates for the ultimate chocolate loving dad. The next is bad dad, best dad trophy cake, shaped like a trophy for or a cup, complete with gold detail and message. Number one dad. The next is car lovers cake, a cake shaped like a car, steering wheels or car brand's logo for the auto hosted dad. The next is fishing cake, perfect for dads who love the outdoors. A lake themed cake with edible fish and rods. The next is sorry, newspaper cake, a vintage style cake designed like a folded newspaper with fun headlines like dads of the years. Next is wood grain cake. Realistic wood pattern cake with a rustic topper gives that cozy cabin tool shape vibe. The next is hiking or adventure cake. Mountain map or hiking trail theme cake for the dad who love to explore. The next is classic vanilla with dad's message. Keep it simple and sweet with vanilla layers and simple message piped on top. Heartful and delicious. From funny to fancy, there is a cake here to every kind of dad. Which father's cake was your favorite? Tell us in the comment. And don't forget to like this video and share and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more delicious cake inspiration only on Cakes Factory. See you in the next sweet video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.